I used to think these creators were doing next level editing, but the truth is, they're not editing manually at all. Most of them use a secret website that lets you create stunning animations in just a couple of minutes. Let me walk you through the exact steps they use. First, go to Google and search for Auto AE. Open the first website that shows up. Click on Get Started, then scroll down the page. You'll see several templates. Some are marked Pro, which are paid. You can skip those and use the free ones. Choose any template you like. I'm selecting one just as an example. Click on Customize, then enter the text or content you want in the animation. You'll also get an option to adjust the animation. Make your changes there. Now scroll down and click on Download without watermark. If your downloaded video still has a watermark, don't worry. Here's how to fix it using CapCut. Open CapCut and import a background of your choice. Then click on Overlay and add your animation on top. Use the background remover option to clean it up. Once done, export the final video. And that's it. Well, your animation is ready with no watermark, and it looks professionally edited. All done in just 2 minutes.